mo, kopyahin mo yung examiner mo. So we have to show that you cut it, that it is sealed, then cut it, showing to the examiner na nakasealed siya, then cut.
I am your examiner for today's career service professional exam. My name is Cherry Lara and this is Mrs. Baluria, our doctor for this examination. I will call the roll to check Rivalina Norman. Present. Briones Catherine. Present. Baronela Joan. Present. Segubia Francia. Present. Adriana Romeo.
Present.
We shall now accomplish the three important documents in this examination: the answer sheet, the examining attendance sheet, and the picture slip plan. Please use ball pen in accomplishing these documents. However, in shading your answer in the answer sheet, you shall use pencil. The answer sheet, examining attendance sheet, and picture slip plan are very important documents because they shall serve as an official record of your taking this examination. Please write the title of the examination. For today's examination is career service examination. Okay? And the date of examination on the answer sheet. So, this is the data that we accomplish in your examination. The school, date of exam, and then title of exam and room number.
Hi, please. After dito. Face down.
You may now open your test booklet and check if your test booklet has misprints or missing pages. Raise your hand if you have problems with your copy.
Up to cover, misprints like naman.
Time started 8 a.m. Please write it in your answer sheet.
Last 10 minutes. Dimensya, last 10 minutes.
Time check. Last 10 minutes.
Ito. Ulit. Yeah. Bilangin mo yung pages.